Hi, my name is Austin Soukup. I'm in grade 11. I bowl for Berea-Midpark. I've been bowling for about 7 years. I used to bowl in a father-son league with my dad, so that's kind of what sparked my motivation to learn and continue through high school. My favorite hype song is Not Afraid by Eminem. Honestly, I think my most favorite part of the bowling team is our rivalry with Amherst. I use a 15-pound bowling ball. I work at Yorktown Lanes, so that's always fun. I get free bowling. My favorite memory is shooting a 297 at practice. Had the first 11 strikes, and then I pulled it right across my body and left a huge split, but it was still a good experience to know that I can do that. My advice for somebody who's looking to join the bowling team is definitely know what your equipment does. If you are a somewhat experienced bowler, you can always talk to Coach Paul Brenders. He knows his craft. He's been bowling for a long time. I think my biggest inspiration for bowling is Norm Duke. Steak and eggs, that's my favorite food. Glacier Freeze is my favorite Gatorade to drink during matches. Favorite superhero? Gotta be Spider-Man. Spider-Man. From what I've heard, not a lot of colleges have like NCAA bowling teams. It's more popular for the girls' side. Okay. But a lot of colleges do have club bowling teams, and they do have their own states, nationals, and whatnot. So I'm definitely looking at a few schools that have bowling teams. Thank you, guys.